everyone, welcome to Autom Packaging Machinery. So today we are going to show you our fresh food and the bakery products pillow packaging machine behind me. And let's pack it. Let's put on our bakery products and the fresh food with pallet on our material conveyor here. Here's our machine touch screen. And we can put multi-languages here. And to take it for example, we choose Portuguese. And here we will raise the packing speed and set down 30 bags per minute. It's done. And here is a machine start button. I will press the start button to run the machine.